What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review or an unboxing of the Thor Ultra laser pointer. Now I'm just going to be doing a review on it, so I'm going to make a separate video of this laser pointer burning. So this came straight from China, from Laser Pointer Store. I'll put the link to where I got it in the description, but package it took like 7 days to come, and which was pretty fast from China. I mean, I was expecting a bit longer than that, but not bad for China shipping. I have a little bit of damage, it looks like, or something on it, like because the corners are scratched up. I went through a lot on shipping because I was tracking it. Here, I have the case and everything with the laser. There's nice bubble wrap, so it protects the case. It's pretty nice. It looks like it was shipped pretty well. It was shipped in the case, so that's nice. There's different cases on their website. There's like that aluminum one that you see the other lasers come in. And there's this one. Did I open it the right way? Like this. Alright. So here's the laser. It did come with a charger. It said on the website that it wouldn't. Here's those safety glasses. You always want to wear those when using the laser. They don't pull out. That's surprising. The charger. There's the, yeah, interesting. And then I had to buy the batteries separately because then on their website it said that they don't ship batteries because of the shipping policies. So I guess that's a good thing. Here's the keys to activate the laser. It's nice. You always want to use these so nobody gets into it. And the laser already looks ginormous. This is just one half of it, and it's huge. Okay. Wow. Very nice finish on this. It's very heavy. That's just one part. Here's that other half of the laser. Very nice. Yeah, it unscrews right here nicely. That's pretty cool. And then you screw this into the laser. I believe this is different modes of the laser, and then this is just on or off. I'm kind of curious, do you need the keys to work the laser? Wow, this is huge. Let's get the battery. They don't say. It didn't even come with directions. It doesn't have a tripod mount like there's like another laser pointer that looks kind of like this. I'm gonna figure out how to put the battery. I believe it's this way, like that. So positive out, like how in all lasers. Looks like that can come out on the case. This is nice, this foam here. That goes like this. And wow, it's very heavy. I'm gonna come back with another clip once I'm done, but this is like a basically lightsaber. Wow, it's huge. I think this is 13 point something inches. I don't know. Okay. There's a nice light there. I guess that tells you battery. Percentage. Oh yeah, does it focus? Oh my gosh. Whoops. Wow, that's very powerful. you gotta be careful, I guess, using this. You don't want to shine it at something that will burn easily. This is interesting. I gotta figure all this out. I'll figure it out someday, but it looks like this is, you just press that to go on and off. I think it said on the website that there was a code switch, but it doesn't seem that there is any. Wow, that's very powerful. I'm gonna come back and measure it for you guys. Alright, I figured out how the code switch works. You just press this button, and then the smaller one is, so that's dim, and then it's high again, and then it's strobe, and then it's regular, high. I mean, yeah, it was low and then high, and so now it's high, and here's the strobe. So I figured that out, like how I said in the video. Alright, I have the laser here, and here's my measuring tape. Get the official measurements. 14 inches, basically. Here. It's 14 inches. Wow. Impressive. That's huge. This is such a big laser pointer, and it's pretty heavy too. I'm outside now, and the laser, very, very visible. Yeah, you can see right there, going all the way out, and it's on that fence. Beam looks like it's diverging a little bit, but not that much as you would think, and it's pretty bright, you just can't see the beam. Alright, first sliding level is basically a dim sort of room. Here's what the laser looks like. The beam is very visible. That's quite impressive compared to my other blue laser, which my other one, I'm sorry guys, but my blue 301 broke. Sorry to announce that, but I can't do everything on it. Now outside, and I have the laser, you can't really see it, but I'm gonna press the button, and wow, that beam is very visible. I have my other second brightest laser, which is that green 301, and this 301 is nothing compared to this, but that's absolutely crazy. The beam is much more thicker on the Thor Ultra than the 301, which is very impressive. It's a lot more visible in real life, but I figured out how to do some modes. That second button above it, you press that, you got low power and high power, strobe, so again high power, oh wait, that was low power, and then strobe. Very cool. And then you press that button to turn it off. But this is a beast of a laser. It's very strong, and yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna shine the laser into the sky, and this is where you gotta watch out and be careful, because you never know if there's a plane. So I'm looking now and there's not. And wow, that is such a bright laser. Very impressive. That beam can probably be seen from very far away. Such a big laser and super powerful. And that button lights up pretty well. Also, that little green light tells you that the laser is on, and then it will turn red when the laser is off. It's very powerful and super visible at night. Now coming at the end of the video for the review part of the laser. It's quite a huge laser and very, very powerful. I got this version 1.6 watt, and it's very, very powerful. Right when I turned it on, it started burning the case right here. It's a very strong laser, and it's pretty safe actually. It has the keys, and most lasers like that you'll find on eBay don't have keys or really a nice safety button, and different modes like low power, high power, and then strobe, which this one has. I'm gonna get the star attachments. They didn't come with it, but that's fine. So the batteries didn't either. but you can buy those online for, I think I got them for like $6, but I mean, I think the battery and charger is like 15 or something, but they gave me the charger for free this time, so that's pretty nice, and the glasses work pretty well. Just what I was expecting, but crazy power. I didn't know that 1.6 watts could burn things so easily, but I'm coming up on another video of the laser burning, which is just going to be a whole montage of me burning random things that I can find. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, leave a like or a comment of what I should burn down low. I'm definitely going to burn candles and stuff, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.